Good morning everyone. This is the 4 lines note. You never seen, right? I will explain you how we can write in this. Okay, let's start. This is the red line and this is the blue line. Okay, this is the red line and this is the blue line. Why we are calling this 4 lines means there are in each rows there are 4 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 lines and we should write in between first 3 lines, red line and 2 blue lines. We should write first 3 lines. We are going to use only first 3 lines, not the bottom line. Red line we should not use. Okay, bottom red line we should not use. Okay, let's start with the standing line. How we will write standing line? Okay, can you see ma'am will do one dot here, one dot here. I will give dots and you want to join the dots from top to bottom, from top to bottom. See, from top to bottom. Ma'am is holding the pen, but you should hold the pencil. How you will hold the pencil? Ma'am told, do like this and then hold the pencil like this and then turn it. Ta-da! Like this you need to hold the pencil and you want to start right with the pencil only. Ma'am will give dots or your mama or papa will give you dots and you want to join the line from top to bottom. That is standing line. Let's see. I will do dots and ma'am will show you how ma'am is going to do. Okay, let's see. Like this you want to do in your notebook. See, ma'am is going to join the dots from top dots to bottom dot. See, if you do any mistake, don't worry about that. You will use the eraser and you can rub it. Okay, you need only pencil and eraser. If you do any mistakes, you can use the eraser and rub it. Don't scribble it. Okay, if you are doing standing line from top to bottom, you want to join like this. See, from top to bottom dot, from top to bottom dot. Is it standing line? It looks like standing line. Yeah, I know you are also started practicing there. See, standing line from top to bottom. Hold the pencil like this and top to bottom. Okay, you will practice in this page as for dots filled in this. Okay, thank you.